Damiris Dantas is a Brazilian basketball player for the Indiana Fever of the Women's National Basketball Association. Together with the junior Brazilian team, she won the bronze medal at the Under-19 World Championship in 2011 Chile and was named Most Valuable Player at that tournament. Dantas was drafted by the Minnesota Lynx in the first round of the 2012 WNBA draft, 12th overall. Dantas was not expected to play in the WNBA until after the 2012 Olympic Games. She was signed by the Lynx on April 2, 2014. Dantas began to play basketball at Janeth Arcain's Basketball Institute at the age of 13. Within 4 years, she had become a professional. Dantas played for Orrinhos in 2012, Maranhão in 2013 and Maricana in 2013 to 2015. On July 27, 2015, Dantas was traded to the Atlanta Dream as part of the three-team deal. She was suspended for the 2016 WNBA season after she failed to report to training camp, instead using the time to train with the Brazilian national team for the 2016 Summer Olympics that the country would host in Rio de Janeiro. Atlanta retained Dantas' rights and they expected her to play with the team during the 2017 season. On February 1, 2024, Dantas signed a multi-year contract with the Indiana Fever. Dantas had to miss the opening week of training camp due to an issue with her visa and a family emergency. In one of the final games of the 2021 season, Dantas suffered a Lisfranc injury in her right foot, forcing her to end her season early and undergo surgery. The extensive recovery time led to her developing a depression that led to lesser results and ultimately a nervous breakdown at the 15th game of the 2022 season. After discussing with Reeve, the coach agreed Dantas was not mentally well to continue playing, sidelining her to spend time with rest and psychological treatment. On February 8, 2019, Dantas signed with the Minnesota Lynx as a free agent. Dantas missed several games in 2019 due to a calf injury. In 2019, Dantas started all 26 games she played in and recorded career highs in minutes, points and assists per game. Dantas attended the Lynx training camp in 2023, ending up waived. To compensate her absence in the WNBA, Dantas led the Brazilian team to the 2023 FIBA Women's Mary Cup title and played in both Mexico for Fuerza Regia and Turkey for Ormanspor. Dantas showed up in 2020 for the Lynx as they played in the WNBA bubble. Over the 22-game campaign, Dantas shot 44.3% from 3-point on just over 4 attempts beyond the arc per game, cementing her spot as one of the WNBA's elite shooting bigs. She finished the season with averages of 12.9 points, 6.1 rebounds and 2.6 assists per game. On July 27, 2015, Dantas was traded to the Atlanta Dream as part of the three-team deal. She was suspended for the 2016 WNBA season after she failed to report to training camp, instead using the time to train with the Brazilian national team for the 2016 Summer Olympics that the country would host in Rio de Janeiro.